Your body language makes a big difference in public speaking. My name is Ibrahim Mustapha. I'm a public speaking coach and I help people like you to speak in public. Today, I want to talk about body language in public speaking and how that can help you in your presentations. Sometimes when we get the opportunity to speak, we don't know how to portray our body to meet the audience demands and to communicate to them. I want to share with you some of the things that you may be doing that may be hindering on your presentations. Number one is this way. You fold your arms. Some people find it relaxing to fold their hands this way, but that is bad. It shows that you are nervous. Some people too, their heads are always down and they are afraid, they're shy. Sometimes your voice, hello, my name, your voice can also portray. And sometimes the way you move your hands, some people move it too fast and it's like, my name is, I want to do. No, you need to take your time. You need to know how to move your hands. There are different school of thoughts, but what I know is always let your hands be above your waist level. And that way you can show that power that you have. You can be able to let people know. If you want to demonstrate, if you want to let people know whatever, you can use your hands gestures to show that. The other thing you need to appreciate is that don't always look back when you are in front of the audience. In international presentations like TED Talks and other things, other presentations, never let you turn your back towards the audience because they will give you screens that will help you. And the reason they give you two screens in front or three, the two televisions or three televisions in front, is to help you look at those presentations in that regard. Look at that. And your audience will look at your back screen. So you need to always focus on your audience. If you want to move, do it professionally. Don't just keep riding. Some people no, take your time. And your smile can also make a difference when you're speaking in public. So learn to smile and also learn to give pauses. These are all part of body language techniques. Learn to smile, learn to coordinate your voice, raise your voice when it's necessary, and also bring your voice down when you need to grab the attention of your audience. All in all, your body language can help you win in terms of public speaking and the way you speak. My name once again is Ibrahim Mustapha, and if you like what you hear, I'm ready to coach you. I'm ready to help you to take you to the next step. Believe in yourself. Let's do this and keep monitoring this channel for more and more information. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.